Hi guys, the perfect 100 percentile score in the CAT exam, 100 percentile, you'll be surprised to know is only 60% marks. 10th में 12th में ग्रेजुएशन में कभी भी 60% आया है तो एक बार अगर दोबारा आ गया तो हर पेपर में तुम्हारा नाम आएगा. So I think nothing can be as motivating as that. So let's work hard for the CAT exam so that we can target this 100 percentile. We are also launching our G strategy programs in case you want to join for the books, mocks, shortcut for maths, verbal, DI logic. G strategy मतलब गरीब बच्चा कि सर पढ़ता बहुत मैं नंबर क्यों नहीं आते. So we are launching a program. Link उसका मैंने description box में दिया. You can also check out the few sample videos we have made. Complete shortcuts for the CAT exam. So if I go by the numbers, people who have taken the CAT exam this year, 100 percentiler, 4 are from Maharashtra, 2 from Delhi and Telangana and Gujarat, 1 each from Jammu Kashmir, UP and Tamil Nadu. Total 13 toppers are there with 100 percentile. Out of them 3 are non-engineers. तो अगर non-engineers 3 लोग कर सकते हैं तो बाकी भी कर सकते हैं. Fine. So that's a very motivating because these numbers are changing now and because CAT का pattern is changing. That's why ना 100 percentiler is only 60% marks. इसका मतलब CAT का paper is tough. And the tough paper now is common for everyone. चाहे तुम इंजीनियर हो चाहे तुम नॉन इंजीनियर हो, सबके लिए सेम ही प्रॉब्लम एरिया है. ठीक है, अगर विराज मोदी बीबीए का स्टूडेंट अगर टॉप कर सकता है तो एनी नॉन इंजीनियर कैन डू दैट. या फ्रॉम द स्ट्रीम वाइज 28 आउट ऑफ द टॉप 29 टॉपर ओनली 1 फीमेल. सो दिस डेटा इज स्टिल थोड़ा सा बाइस्ड. टोटल नंबर ऑफ पीपल एप्लीकेंट्स फॉर द CAT एग्जाम दिस ईयर 64% वर मेल, 36% वर फीमेल. और ये नंबर फाइनल एडमिशन में भी होता है. इफ यू लुक एट द एवरेज ऑफ एवरी कॉलेज 65 to 35 is a normal average. That if I include the other toppers as well, Maharashtra is always leading the pack with the maximum number of toppers. Yeah, followed by Delhi. And number 3 में this year is Telangana. Earlier UP used to be number 3, but this year Telangana is number 3 in the highest number of CAT takers. CAT people who have got the top percentile in CAT. Yeah, so our target is going to be 100 percentile. If you want to target 100 percentile, which mean only 60% marks, मतलब 200 मार्क के पेपर में से मुझे 120 चाहिए. If you can get 120 marks, nobody can stop you from getting 100 percentile with all major IIM calls, and most of them you will be able to convert as well. Alright, so let's work hard for that. So in case you want to join our program, link is given in the description box. Now how to achieve that target? You have to, from the link you can download the verbal, DI logic, quant का पूरा syllabus. I want you to download the syllabus and ये सारे topic खत्म करने. Let's go step by step. My first target is to understand and complete all these topics. Yeah, DI logic 16. You can download this from the link in the description box. And quant का there are 50 topics. सारे topic मुझे खत्म करने पड़ेंगे. Arithmetic, geometry, modern maths and time, speed, distance, time and work. Okay, ये link description box में दिया है. So please start and let's crack it. In case you want to join our program, just call or WhatsApp or check out the link in the description box. All the best.